Hey guys, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you a new features in Microsoft Teams. So it is called the new meetings and calling experience in Microsoft Teams. What it is a features that give you an options to when you open a meeting or start a meeting or having a meeting, it's going to open a new windows instead of the meeting is embedded to Microsoft Team app, you get the new windows that is pop up. Um, it looks something like this. And with this meeting windows, you can have up to 49 faces on this meeting. So a maximum number of people will give you 49. You will see 49 faces. So for example here, if I start a meeting now, as you can see, the meetings windows is embedded to the Microsoft Team apps. So what you need to do is you can change the settings. The settings should be under, if you click on your profiles and then click on settings, the setting is right here. Turn on new features experience. Once you check the box, you're going to have to exit Teams by clicking on the Teams here, right click and then quit. You want to make sure you click on quit in order to for the settings to take effect. So I just quit. And now if I open up Teams again, and now if I start the meeting, as you can see, the meeting windows is has its own windows, and you can just drag and put it anywhere you want. Um, and in the background, you can go back to Teams app and you can see all the chattings, all the other team site calendars, and go back to your meeting. So this is all it does. It just create a new windows for Teams meeting. And if you don't see these features available yet, you probably have to update your Teams. You can update by going to click on your icon here and then go to check for updates. That's only if you don't have the features available. So that's all I have. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.